Say hi. Are you Barbie?
No, not Barbie.
What are you?
I'm police.
You're the police?
Yeah.
Right there? Cool. Are you the police officer, Eliana?
Yeah, pizza officer.
What are you going to do? Are you going to put that in your pocket?
It's not what my mom wants. Okay? It's not mommy. Okay, mommy. Buys you. I'll buy you. Well, come in. Just, let's come back, guys. Can see that hat,
What are you
Mom?
doing, Stinky?
My phone was in my pocket. Hey, that's my mouth. Right there.
Is it you?
That's my mouth.
Yeah, that's your mouth.
Yeah. I see.
Officer?
He's out there.
Yeah, I know. I see it.
The big officer. Go, yeah.
You're going to go to jail?
No.
Oh, no.
I want you to call the back. Right there. That's the officer piece. And a piece of Mom. One picture of the hat.
Do you want a picture of the hat?
Yeah. The picture of the hat.
Oh, thank you. That's a good girl. You took a picture of me?
Now a picture of Daddy.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Have a good day.